healthier. But we've reached that point in January where the motivation to stick to your nutrition plans could be fading. Time and money constraints can make the prospect of healthy eating seem almost impossible. But here to help us overcome some of the barriers is holistic nutritionist and corporate wellness educator, Jessie Langley. Thanks so much for joining us, Jessie.
Always great to see you.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year. I'd love to be back here again.
Yeah, it's good to have you back. Okay, let's talk about, people, it is a big resolution oftentimes to eat healthier, be healthy, but it can seem overwhelming. Cost is one thing, and also time. So what are your key tips to seeing it through the entire year?
So my biggest tip I have for you and for everyone is to meal plan. Meal planning saves you money because you're going to the grocery store with a list, you're just buying what you need, and then you're getting out of there, and then you're using your money to buy.
Right, smart.
Good.
And so you brought some healthy options for us here that you can do yourself.
Yeah.
Take us through what you got.
So the first one I have here is a hummus. Now when you buy store-bought hummus, it's quite expensive. Sometimes there's oils in there that are less than ideal. So making it at home so fast, you're just throwing it into the processor, blending, done, and like a can of chickpeas is what, like $1.
It's easy.
So inexpensive.
And how long does it take you to do that, to do the homemade?
Start to finish is 5 minutes, but then you gotta do the dishes, so probably budget 15 minutes for that one.
Important to include the cleanup. That's a big part. And what I like about hummus is that you can, it sort of doesn't force you, but it gives the vegetables kind of a different,
That's right. Vegetables by themselves, people always tell me it's boring, they don't eat them. So let's give it a dip.
Right, yes, exactly. Now, we're going to actually create, which is important to most people, I would assume, would have to know in the morning. It's important to kickstart your day with some healthy food. We're going to actually do a demo with that. First, though, take us through this broth that you've got that does also include vegetables.
Yes, this veggie broth is so cool because guess what? It's free, 100% free.
Okay, you got my attention now.
What you're going to do is throughout the week, whenever you're cutting carrots, cutting broccoli, using herbs, save the stems of those herbs, save the ends and the bits and things you normally throw in the green bin. Put them in a freezable bag and freeze them. When that bag gets full, you're going to empty it into a pot, fill it up with water until it's all covered, and then boil it. And you get 100% free and delicious veggie broth you can use in soups, stews, when you're cooking your grains. So delicious. That's a lot.
And add some comfort during these cold winter months to have that hot broth, right?
We need that.
That's really nice. Okay. Now I haven't had a big breakfast today, so I'm looking forward to trying your granola. Take us through the ingredients and how quick this is and what we need to do.
So quick. So this is my chocolate lovers granola because who doesn't want chocolate for breakfast? I do. So I'm going to dump these in. You can give them a stir. First we have some rolled oats there.
Okay.
And then we want protein. So for protein today, I have cut up almonds, pumpkin seeds, and walnuts.
So no lack of protein in this, right?
No, it's going to be filling with those proteins and healthy fats. Otherwise, if we eat just like a regular cereal in the morning, you'll find you're hungry like 30 minutes later. Coconut, because I love it for flavor. And then we've got the chocolate. So this is raw cacao powder. You can just use regular cocoa powder. But I just love chocolate in the morning. My kids love chocolate, so this is a good way to entice them.
This is not milk chocolate, it's a different type of chocolate, but there are studies that show, I guess, the antioxidants and so on, right?
Yes, so many benefits. I like to put a generous amount of cinnamon. I find chocolate cinnamon such a good combo, and if you're using silent cinnamon, it helps reduce the impact of our blood sugar.
Yeah, I'm already kind of smelling the combination of those two right now. Yeah. Okay.
And then for our liquid, I've got melted coconut oil, maple syrup, tahini, and a little bit of vanilla. So that's going to really help bind it together. Now, I know it takes a while to mix it all, so we don't have to do it properly today, but you mix it all together, and then what you'll do is you'll put it on a sheet pan. Now, depending on how big your batch is, this one, honestly, I'd probably use 2 sheet pans. And then you bake it, I like to bake it low and slow, so 250 for 30 and 40 minutes.
Let it cool, I guess, afterwards.
And if you let it cool completely, and then you can add, I like to add cacao nibs or chocolate chips, cranberries, and it will last on a counter for a few weeks if it's completely cool before you package it.
This is the beauty of television. Is
it's already done.
Product here that you've created for us. There.
Yes.
And I'm going to give this a taste. While I do that, why don't you tell our viewers how they can find out more about what you've shown us today?
Yeah, definitely. So if you are looking to get healthy this year in meal plan, go to jessielanewellness.com meal planning template. So I give you tips on meal planning. I give you a done-for-you meal plan with all of the links, all of the recipes, and a template that's printable so you can fill it out yourself and use it every week.
This is good.
Yay!
I like the chocolate. Good protein in there too. Well, thank you very much. We appreciate it. Hope you have a great, healthy new year.
Yes, you too.
And that is Jessie Lane Lee, holistic nutritionist and corporate wellness educator. We'll be right back after this.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's awesome. That's